In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a story on Instagram, but also so it shares on Facebook. So let's go to Instagram and let's make sure that we have the connection available and turned on so we can share it from our Instagram to our Facebook. So let's go to the three lines at the top right corner. Once this loads up, you want to go to Accounts Center at the very top here, and you want to go to Connected Experiences. Once you're here, you want to go to Sharing Across Profiles. And let's choose the Instagram account that you want to share from. And as you see, it's sharing from Instagram to Facebook. And as you see, your Instagram story is turned on. You have to make sure that this is turned on. So once that's done, you want to go back and let's just choose a random photo here. So let's go ahead and add a story. So let's go ahead and swipe left and we'll post a story. I'll just take a picture here. Go ahead and take a picture, or you could choose a picture from your gallery. And let's go ahead and hit the arrow button at the bottom right hand corner. As you see, it says you're also sharing to your Facebook, and we can go ahead and share that story. So once that's done uploading, and that will take a couple seconds here, it will automatically share to your Facebook. So let's go to our stories and make sure it's right there. As you see, it's here on our Instagram story, and let's go to Facebook. And if I were to refresh the page on Facebook and go to your story, wrong one. Let's go to your story. And as you see, the same story was uploaded. So it's real easy to go ahead and share your stories on Instagram, but also to make sure that they share to your Facebook as well.